Maldives, a tropical paradise, an ultimate love. Among the most exquisite island nations on Earth is the Maldives. Comprising more than 1,000 coral islands arranged into 26 atolls, it is situated in the Indian Ocean. Renowned for its white sandy beaches, glistening clean seas, and opulent resorts, the Maldives is ideal for a leisurely and enjoyable vacation. This paradise has something for everyone, whether your dream honeymoon or leisure trip is scheduled. 1. Male, the bright capital city. The most populated city in the Maldives, Male, is also its capital. Though little in scale, it is bursting with history, life, and culture. See the Male. Friday Mosque, stroll across the vibrant streets and tour the Maldives National Museum. Street food vendors and the local fish market let you taste normal living. For visitors on their way to the islands, the city serves as a convenient base. Along with local eateries, guest houses, and stores where you might find mementos, the city hosts, for excellent sea views and local cuisine, stroll a short distance down the man-made beach. 2. Mayafushi, cost-effective island experience. Perfect for people on a budget, Mafushi is one of the few nearby islands open to visitors. It provides reasonably priced guest houses as well as intriguing pursuits such as dolphin tours, snorkeling, and sandbank picnics. There are several dive centers on the island where one may learn scuba diving. Small cafes allow you to taste excellent traditional cuisine and meet amiable residents. Mayafushi offers Maldivian beauty without the exorbitant cost of luxury resorts. It's amazing to arrange a sunset trip to observe wild dolphins jumping. 3. Hulhumale, the man-made island with local character. Hulhumale, a modern man-made island with lovely beaches and peaceful neighborhoods, is about a 15-minute drive from Male. Less congested than Male, this island boasts pleasant guest houses and beachside eateries. If you are arriving late or leaving early from the adjacent Valana International Airport, it is perfect for a brief visit. Along with quiet areas for relaxation, the island has activities including jet skiing and parasailing. Watch the sunset while savoring excellent seafood cuisine in an evening at the beach promenade. 4th Ba Atoll, respected biosphere reserve run by UNESCO. Nature enthusiasts should definitely visit Ba Atoll, as it is a protected area. Coral reefs and abundant marine life are well-known features of it. One of the highlights is Hanafaru Bay, where, in the proper season, manta rays and even whale sharks are seen. Snorkeling and diving would fit quite nicely here. Many opulent resorts in this atoll provide guided environmental tours and marine research opportunities. It's also a serene place where you might re-establish connection with the surroundings. See the incredible manta ray concentration at Hanafaru Bay between May and November. 5. Vadu Island, the glowing beach. The enchanted Sea of Stars phenomenon of Vadu Island is well known. The beach shines in small blue lights in the sea at night. Bioluminescent plankton that illuminates when agitated by waves provides this natural glow. The view is really remarkable and like walking on stars. Vadu also presents a peaceful, romantic haven with beautiful beaches and less traffic. Plan your trip for a new moon when the dark sky will help you to enjoy the brilliant beach. 6. Adu Atoll, Southern Enchantment. Southernmost in the Maldives, Adu Atoll is well known for its unspoiled beauty and distinct culture. Its local accent is unusual, and it features historical sites like World War II British war relics. The British Loyalty shipwreck and the coral reefs here are excellent for diving. Adu also provides roads surrounded with coconut palms and bicycle paths over serene communities. Rent a bike and tour the connecting islands of the atoll for a laid-back and picturesque experience. Best foods to taste in the Maldives. Maldivian cuisine is tasty, fresh, and grounded on coconut, seafood, and rice. These are some must-try recipes. Mashuni, flatbread, roshi, accompanied a breakfast mix of tuna, onion, coconut, and chili. Garudia is a transparent fish soup eaten alongside rice and lime, often grilled with chile and lemon. Fihunu mas is spicy fish. Local treats including deep-fried rolls, bajia, and fish patties, kulhi boakiba. Fans of seafood will like the range of meals made with prawns, lobster, tuna, and reef fish. Maldivian accommodation. There are several places to stay, ranging from ultra-luxury to budget, affordable and welcoming guest houses on nearby islands such as Mafushi or Hulhumale. Mid-range hotels are usually pleasant and have beach access. Overwater bungalows, exclusive villas, and first-rate service define luxury resorts. Ideal for holidays and special excursions. Eco-resorts provide choices for sustainable living surrounded by lovely scenery. If you want to experience local life, choose a guest house. If you value seclusion and all-inclusive luxury, choose a resort. Traveling the Maldives. In the Maldives, most transportation is via boat or seaplane. Fast and common for the neighboring islands are speedboats. Cheaper but slower public ships are ideal for budget travelers. Remote luxury resorts use seaplanes for breathtaking aerial vistas. Used for speedy access to farther atolls are domestic flights. Most resorts or guest houses will organize transfers for you from the airport. Hence, always make sure you check in advance. Last thoughts. Like no other, the Maldives are peaceful, romantic, and naturally breathtaking. It's the ideal destination to relax and make lifelong memories with its glistening, clean seas, radiant beaches, friendly residents, and great cuisine. The Maldives will really make you breathless, whether your search is for an adventure, a romantic getaway, or just time to unwind under the sun. If you have any suggestion, please comment us. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with others.